Levitra is the brand of Indinafil, are commonly prescribed erectile dysfunction tablets. These drugs work by increasing blood flow to the penis and facilitating erection when sexually aroused. There are some therapies that we can perform in erectile dysfunction. Counseling therapies or therapy sessions can help addressing underlying physiological issues and contributing to erectile dysfunction, such as anxiety or depression. Couple therapies may also be beneficial in resolving relationship conflict to sexual dysfunction. Further, we will move toward the hormonal therapy. For men with hormonal therapy, or hormonal imbalancing contributed to erectile dysfunction. Hormonal replacement therapy is the main thing we can do to avoid the erectile dysfunction. Further, there is a vacuum devices and penile implants are the treatments or the therapies which we can perform to get rid of erectile dysfunction. Alternative therapies may include acupuncture, herbal supplements, and lifestyle approaches such as pelvic floor exercises. Like Kegel exercise is the most important exercise in erectile dysfunction. May offer additional benefit for some men with erectile dysfunction, although more research is needed to confirm their effectiveness. In conclusion, erectile dysfunction can have a significant impact on a man's daily life and intimate a bad relationship. By understanding the causes, recognizing symptoms, and exploring various treatment options, men can affect their life so badly because of erectile dysfunction. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the most appropriate treatment approach based on individual needs and medical history. Stay happy, stay healthy, see you soon. Subscribe this channel for more videos and for more health tips. Thank you.